So here we are in another makeup tutorial. Today's makeup is all about cool tone silver shades, and to complement this look I used gray eye contact lenses to match today's look. I'll link everything in the description, and let's move on to our tutorial. As you can see, the base is already been applied, same as usual, PLouise base in number 0 and 3 combined together. To create winged eyeliner, I used Inglot AMC Gel Liner in number 77. When creating this eyeliner, my starting point was the spot wherever my eye goes downwards. In other words, if you want to create this eyeliner look for yourself, look straight in the mirror and pay attention while you are looking at your eyelid where your eye goes downwards. Wherever you find a point where your eye starts going downwards, you start pulling your line for the eyeliner from that point. But if you have a different shape and your eye goes upwards, then you are going to have different effect. In my opinion, even better. So you should focus only on the last third of your eye. Also, I really stretched my inner corner of the eye by creating a sharp inner corner with this eyeliner. Also, you can use any brush that works best for you, but in my case I took a really precise, really small brush, so it's easier for me to achieve this look rather than having angled brush or any bigger style eyeliner brush. Now to make this eyeliner really sharp, I'm using Vaseline. This one is from Olival, and just clean small flat brush to make edges even more sharp. Next, I'm using this transition shade right into my crease. This one is from Natasha Denona Glam palette. From Ilamasqua Artistry palette, taking this darker gray shade, again applying this color onto my crease, but a little bit lower than the last shade. Taking my time to blend everything with a small blending brush. Later I switch with even smaller pointed bullet brush just to give my crease even more depth. Going back to Glam palette, using a lash line shade while applying the color, focusing only on the other portion of my eye, and then whatever is left on my brush I just go with that color on the inner part of my eye. Took my time to blend everything and to have seamless transition. Now this inner corner shade I use underneath my eyebrow to give extra spark and shine to this look before I move on to any multichrome later. And now before I put any pigment on, as always I'm using NYX Professional Glitter Primer. Again, this is Tammy Tanuka pigment. As I received their products, all of their names are on Russian, so I cannot pronounce them, but I will try to find the original name in English so you can check this shade for yourself if you like it. And this is actually really interesting color. It is combination between silver and cold purple color. Depending where light hits the color, it changes mainly onto these colors. This silver shade from NYX Professional Limit Love Pigment Palette goes right into my inner corner. Every time I use these pigments, it just reminds me how there is something really special within the structure of this product. For my lower lash line, after I primed my eye, I am moving with the same palette, switching between shades, transition and crease. This color from Magnetic Pole palette, it goes right into my inner corner underneath my eyeliner. Just trying to blend that color with everything else on my lower lash line. For my mascara today, I used Catrice Glam. Now for my false eyelashes, I just cut a little piece of, I think this was Ardell's 421, and then just half of the last part of that eyelash, of the same eyelash, I just put that on top of this as well. So for the last step, I applied Wonder2 Cosmetics Superstay Liner. This one is sparkly silver color. I'll link the shade in the description box down below. And again, guys, thank you for watching and thank you for your support. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Hope you like this look. Bye!